Number 10.
1998 GMC 1500, price $3,900. Both the exterior and interior are finished in red, giving the truck a bold, classic appearance. It runs on gasoline and is powered by a 4.3L V6 engine paired with a 4L60E transmission. The vehicle's body and undercarriage are in exceptionally clean condition, having been repainted by the previous owner, and it remains free of rust except for minor surface rust on the top of the front right fender lip. Inside, the cabin is well kept, though the headliner has begun to sag and could benefit from replacement. This GMC 1500 comes equipped with several modern upgrades, including a new aftermarket DIN.5 CarPlay/Android Auto radio, ceramic tinted windows, LED headlights, and an upgraded exhaust system. Although the current motor is seized, the truck comes with a complete replacement engine that runs well, along with several new components from the existing motor that can be transferred to the replacement.
Number 2.
1985 Chevrolet C20, price $10,000, equipped with an automatic transmission and features a white exterior paired with a tan interior, giving it a clean and classic look. The truck has approximately 300 miles since both the engine and transmission were completely rebuilt.
It has also been repainted and driven very little since the restoration.
While the 350 cubic inch V8 engine is not original to the truck, it runs strong and starts on the first try. The odometer reads 28,000 miles, but it is believed to have rolled over. Among its key features, this C20 includes a rebuilt 350 engine and transmission, dual fuel tanks, like new brakes, and near new tires.
The interior remains in good condition, showing minimal signs of sun damage, and the truck also comes with a custom-fitted cover for protection.
The 4-barrel carburetor and electric choke ensure smooth starting and consistent performance, while the truck is noted to have no leaks and maintains a clean overall condition.
Number 3.
1995 GMC 1500, price $7,000, features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, with a black exterior and red interior. It's powered by a strong and reliable 4.3L Vortec engine paired with a 4L60E transmission, delivering smooth shifts and excellent performance. The truck stands out with a 4.6 drop, 22-inch IROC wheels, and a complete stepside bed in good condition. All lights, blinkers, and wipers work perfectly, and it has manual windows for simplicity. It also includes a new headliner, new grille, LED bar lights, a new smooth black front bumper, new headlights, and a 4-inch cowl hood, giving it a bold and clean look. It's wired for a sound system with SCAR door speakers, and rides smoothly on good tires. Minor flaws include a worn bench seat, AC that doesn't blow cold, and an interior that could use some attention. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race.
Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1993 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,500. The exterior is finished in gold, while the interior features a red color scheme. It runs on gasoline and has been fitted with several upgrades, including new sway bar links, inner and outer tie rods, and a 3-inch lift kit, among other improvements. The truck recently received a new fuel pump, and chrome mirrors were reinstalled from another vehicle to replace the previous ones that had poor paint quality.
The interior is clean with only minor imperfections, and it also features newer brakes and decent tires.
While the radio is currently non-functional, the 4-wheel drive system operates smoothly. Overall, this Sierra offers a solid combination of reliability, recent maintenance, and light modifications that enhance both its look and performance.
Number 5.
1970 GMC 2500, price $5,000. This truck features an automatic transmission and a striking red exterior complemented by a matching red interior, giving it a classic and cohesive vintage look. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong 350 V8 engine paired with a reliable TH350 automatic gearbox, offering a smooth driving experience. The truck is equipped with power steering and power brakes, enhancing both comfort and control behind the wheel. It starts, runs, moves, and stops as expected, though it still requires some attention before becoming fully roadworthy. Despite its age, the truck remains in generally clean condition, showing only the typical rust and wear one would expect from a vehicle of this era.
Number 6.
1982 Mazda B2000, price $6,500, powered by a 4-cylinder engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive. It features a custom plaid interior with heated seats and a Bluetooth stereo, blending vintage charm with modern comfort. The truck wears a Ford Courier grille and matching hubcaps, while Japanese reproduction license plates add a unique, retro touch. Recent updates include new door and window seals, fully functional heating and air conditioning, strong tires and brakes, and a collection of new suspension parts ready for installation. Maintenance records and manuals accompany the truck, along with a clean title, underscoring the care and attention it has received over the years.
Number 7.
1972 Chevrolet C20, price $6,500. It sports a striking orange exterior paired with a gray interior, and runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it retains its original 350 engine matched with the original turbo 350 automatic transmission, delivering both reliability and classic performance. Known for being very dependable and fun to drive, this truck embodies the durability and charm of vintage Chevrolet craftsmanship. Recent maintenance includes new spark plugs and wires, cap and rotor, carburetor, and exhaust manifolds, ensuring smooth and efficient engine performance. Additionally, a new starter and ignition switch have been installed for improved reliability, while rear leaf springs enhance ride stability and comfort. The truck also features replaced rear view and side mirrors for better visibility, and rebuilt cylinder heads that contribute to strong, consistent power delivery.
Number 8.
1977 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000, features an automatic transmission and comes in a striking blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior.
Powered by a robust 454 big block Chevy engine, the truck offers impressive strength and performance.
It's equipped with a rebuilt and upgraded TH350 automatic transmission, ensuring smooth gear shifts and improved reliability. The vehicle also includes an updated NP208 part-time 4x4 transfer case with lockout hubs, providing excellent off-road capability.
Both driveshafts and U-joints are new, contributing to better durability and performance.
It rides on new 4-inch lift rear leaf springs with updated U-bolts and shackles. In addition, new front disc brake calipers have been installed for stronger and more responsive braking.
Number 9.
1992 GMC 2500, price $6,500, shows 215,000 miles and features a 5-speed manual transmission. Both the exterior and interior are finished in red, powered by a 5.7 L V8 gasoline engine. It's fitted with a Chevy grille and a Beltec lowering kit with drop spindles, cut front springs, new rear leafs, shackles, and shocks. Recent upgrades include a new gas tank, Delphi fuel pump, stainless fuel lines, freshly painted frame, new brakes, hoses, tie rods, aluminum radiator, plugs, wires, and battery. The engine was rebuilt about 10,000 miles ago, with the clutch replaced at the same time. While the AC doesn't work, the truck sports a mix of man-made and original patina sealed with Poppy's clear coat. Rust is visible on the fenders, with rocker covers and patched cab corners adding to its vintage charm.
Number 10.
1985 Dodge W150, price $8,500. This truck has approximately 85,600 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a striking blue exterior with a matching blue interior, this truck runs on gasoline and carries the timeless appeal of Dodge's classic design. Under the hood, it features a built 318 engine paired with a stock S727 transmission, delivering strong and reliable performance typical of Dodge's rugged pickups from this era. While it runs well and handles local drives or towing duties with ease, it's best suited for shorter trips rather than long-distance travel, as its 3-speed transmission isn't ideal for extended highway cruising.